Hey guys, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle here, back with another video. This time it will be update on MATZILLA. They have presented like 2 days ago. I just wanted to show you more or less how it is going, how it's gaining traction, etc. And we will discuss the possibilities here. Okay, so let's start. Alright guys, so we are back with a video about MATZILLA, which is a Dapp on Polygon chain that started a few days ago. Like I said on my last video, they did have starting earnings from 8 to 13.7% daily. I went in day 2 or 3 because the RY were better, okay? Because these things tend to have low returns. I mean, comparing to other systems, low returns at the beginning, but then they have this basic interest rate, which is rising 0.5% every 24 hours. So now we don't have we had 8% here, okay? Now it's 10.2%. So we are at 4 days passed, 4 days and like a few hours passed, because it's paying 2.2% more than it did on the beginning. This is how these contracts want to attract new investors all the time. So new investors will get better returns. You won't get a better return if you went in on the first or the second day. Okay, the rising interest rate, the new deposits are applicable only for new people coming in. New deposit, I mean new deposits coming in. So right now, if you go into plan 1, which is the least risky here, remember, of course, none of this is a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I won't be telling you what to do. I'm only showing you what I do. You don't have to do anything. And if you would like to participate, I can advise you never to invest too much in one system. That's my strategy that I'm showing you and explaining. So please watch the whole video to get the whole picture. Okay, guys, so yeah, the first plan is the least risky one. I'm tempted, to be honest, to go in more than I did already. The second plan, this one is paying less, but the return is 182% ROI. So 82% of it is a clean profit. So it is tempting because you're almost doubling your investment, but it is for 21 days. So in order you to take this return, you'll need to wait for 21 days. I mean, this has to be still working in 21 days. But well, let's say it will work for 15 days, you will still take some profit. What you can do right now, I mean, if you put like 100 Matic here, you'll see your ROI in 14 days. It is important to know that you are not able to take your initial principal out. Okay, here you can take it only in dividends. So you won't be getting, you won't be able to take out your principal. You will have to wait and get it in the dividends. So here you will roughly wait around 9-10 days for to reclaim your deposit in the dividends, and then for the last 4 days will be your profit. Okay, that's more or less how it works. So you first of all, what you need to monitor is the contract here. Well, we've looked at it and it seems to be stable. This platform is not overhyped. I am now looking for diversification. I mean, I'm going into very, very hyped platforms that can have like $2-3 million on balance after one day. And there are the second category of projects that are not hyped so much, that are growing organically, slower, and well, I'm testing it out. I mean, I'm pretty sure this thing can bring me profits, so that's what I'm looking for. Look, almost two, not even 2 hours ago, someone deposited 4,630 Matic. Okay, and you can see all the deposits coming in here. You can also check the internal transactions to see more. I can go to contract, and if the website doesn't work, all the people are saying is a rock. You can always go here, connect with the contract, and withdraw manually from the smart contract. The website is only a front, okay? I mean, there were some problems. They have an audit, is a standard haze audit, so you can check that out just to feel safe. I mean, safe. The contract, the audit, the only thing the audit does is giving us safety in terms of smart contract not having backdoors. Okay, so it cannot be rugged in this way. I mean, you can always change on the website, but if you go direct to the smart contract, like I just shown you, that's the best way. If you are like worried about anything, you can directly interact with the smart contract, and then you are sure that you are interacting with the same contract. So always check the things, guys. That's something that is pretty important and makes a difference. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you. For now, it's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a like. If you're not my subscribers yet, please subscribe to this channel. It helps me to grow the channel, do more giveaways, and build a community on my Telegram chat too. And I also invite you to join there. It's where we can discuss, where we can share our ideas, and you can ask me anything there. I'm trying to build a community. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on another video.